Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my October Boxycharm unboxing. So before I start the unboxing, I do want to just quickly say that I know I haven't uploaded a video in a couple weeks. I know it doesn't really seem that long, but it feels like a really long time for me, and I just haven't felt like filming. I just kind of been in a weird funk with making videos and even doing posts on my Instagram. So yeah, I just haven't really felt like making videos, and when I feel like that, I don't want to force myself to make a video, because then it doesn't really turn out that good and I'm not putting out stuff that I like. So yeah, hopefully I can get back into doing videos pretty often. So this month's theme for Boxycharm is After Dark, and I got variation number 2. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out of my box is from Cella, and it's their slanted tip tweezers, and these tweezers retail for $20, and it comes in a cute little plastic case. And then that's just what the tweezers look like. They're really cool and interesting. I've never really seen tweezers with this kind of handle. And then the next thing that I got in my box, I chose this item, and it's the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Now you had a choice of either this or the Iconic London glowy setting spray type thing, and I chose this because I love Touch in Sol primers, so I really wanted to try this out. The Touch in Sol Glassy Skin Balm retails for $32. This is what the box looks like. It's really pretty and holographic pretty. This is what the actual product looks like. It just comes in a little tub, and then that same holographic logo on the top, and then it just screws open, and it has a little safety lid. And then that's just what the Glassy Skin Balm primer looks like. The consistency is kind of like a gel moisturizer type feel, and to me it doesn't really have a scent at all. At least I didn't really smell anything, so that's really nice. I did use this as my primer today because it is a primer. You can also use it just kind of like a moisturizer if you're wearing no makeup but you want your skin to look super glowy and moisturized. You can just use this, but I did use it as my primer, and like I said, it does have that moisturizer, gel moisturizer type feel, which felt really nice and nourishing on my skin. First impressions, I really like this so far. I will keep using it, but like I said before, I like Touch in Sol's primers, so I'm probably gonna like this one. I do like it already so far, so. But yeah, my skin just looks really glowy. I did use my NYX Born to Glow foundation, so that does add more glow to my skin, but this also adds a really nice glow to your skin as well. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Iconic London, and it's their lip plumping gloss, and I got the shade Nearly Nude. It's just a really pretty peachy nude-ish type shade, and the gloss retails for $26. So I am wearing this on my lips right now, but I did line my lips with the Bodyography Barely There lip liner just because I wanted to have a nice lip line, because I didn't know how pigmented this was gonna be, and the lip liner and this lip gloss are literally the exact same shade, so that's really nice. But yeah, I'm wearing it on my lips, and it's really pretty. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels really nice and glossy. It is kind of a thicker gloss, but like I said, it's not gloopy or sticky or anything. Now, since this is a plumping gloss, I didn't feel any tingling. There's no pain whatsoever. It doesn't hurt my lips. I know I've heard the Too Faced lip plumper, those that one's really painful, and this doesn't hurt my lips at all. It does have like a minty, like cooling sensation, but like I said, it's not like painful. There's no like, I don't feel any tingliness. Like I said, it just feels like minty and cooling, so that does feel like really nice on the lips because of that like cooling feel. But it is a really pretty gloss. I don't notice any plumping really, but it is still a really pretty gloss, and the like minty feeling is kind of nice. Yeah, I really like it. I like the color, and like I said, it's not sticky. So yeah, I really like this, and I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot, especially because it's a really pretty nude for the fall time or just year round. So I really like this gloss. Okay, so the next thing that I got in my box is from Skin & Co. It's their Truffle Therapy Illuminating like Radiant Dew Setting and like Refresh Mist, and this retails for $35. A few boxes ago I did get this brand, their like whipped truffle therapy cleansing cream, and that's like my holy grail cleanser. Ever since I got that, that's the only cleanser I use. It's really good. I love that cleanser. So when I saw that I got this in my box, I was really happy because like I said, I love that cleanser and I really like this brand. I don't really like use setting sprays. I just feel like they don't really do anything for my like makeup, and it always seems to like make my makeup like separate. So I don't know if it's just the sprays that I've used, or like I said, I just don't really care for them. But this, you can use this as a like a refresher, or you can use it on just like your bare skin, and it'll give your skin like a really nice glowy healthy look. So I'm excited to use this. I did like spray it on today, and it did add to all the other glowy products. I love really glowy skin because my skin is like dry combination, so I really like super dewy glowy skin. So I'm excited to keep using this, and I do want to say it does have a really strong peppermint smell, because there is peppermint in this, but when you like spray it on your face, it's not like strong. It's only strong like when you smell it straight from the bottle. It smells like a peppermint candy, but like I said, when you spray it on your skin, it's not like strong and it doesn't linger. So if you're sensitive to smells and you got this, at least for me, I don't like smell it on my skin. It's not lingering, so that's really nice. But yeah, I'm really happy to have this. Like I said, I'll probably just use this more as like a refreshing mist instead of like a setting mist. I don't think this will like really make your makeup last a long time. I think it's just more of like a illuminating, dewy, like refresher mist. So, and then the last thing that I got in my box, which I am the most excited for, is the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette, and this palette retails for $32. Now there is a bunch of different variations of this style of palette that you can get in your box. There's like I don't know how many exactly, but like I said, there are many different colors of the Dose of Colors palettes. Now I was super happy to see that I got the Baked Browns one in my box, because I have wanted this specific color of the Dose of Colors palettes for so long. I have wanted this for so long, and I am so happy that I got this one in my box. I would have been happy with any of the other like palettes, but like I said, I've wanted this specific one for so long, so I'm really happy that I have it now. So yeah, this is just what the packaging looks like. It is like reflective and like plastic, and then that's the back. That's what the colors look like. It is a all matte eyeshadow palette, but and it comes with a little dual-ended brush, so like a fluffy side and then a pencil side. So I obviously used this palette on my eyes today, and this is the look that I came up with. Just ignore like my the way my nose looks. My nose is like super dry right now, so it's kind of flaky, so if you like see any of that, just ignore it. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with using the palette today. I've never used Dose of Colors eyeshadows before either, so I was really excited to try out the formula. But yeah, it is an all matte eyeshadow palette, like I said. The shimmer on my inner corner and brow bone is just the highlight I used on my face, which is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, so, but everything else is from the palette. So yeah, I used every single shade in the palette, from lightest to deepest. I used every shade. I really love how it turned out. I don't really do like all matte eye looks that often, but I really love how this turned out. I love that like creamy white shade on the lid, and then I used the deepest brown in the palette, and I kind of like did a smoky brown liner. I didn't do a wing, I just lined my lashes. And then if you are curious, I used the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421. They're just super, really pretty, like natural, wispy lashes. I just felt like they looked really nice with this look. I didn't want anything like too dramatic, so yeah, this is the eye look using the palette. So yeah, I really like this palette. I'm super happy that I got it. I will say that the actual like eyeshadow formula, it does like kick back quite a lot, so the shadows are like really soft, so just be careful when you're dipping your brush in it. Just don't dip into the eyeshadows like too rough, because the powder will like kick up everywhere. So just be careful, and if you do pick up too much on your brush, just make sure you tap off the extra before you go in on your eyes. So, but yeah, I really love this palette. The colors are just so pretty, and this palette is perfect for like everyday use, and the colors are perfect for fall or just all year round. So I'm really happy that I got this one. Like I said, all the other ones are pretty, but I wanted this one the most. So yeah, that was everything in my October 2019 Boxycharm. Usually I would try this stuff on, but I just felt like just doing my makeup and showing the products. So next month I will definitely be sure to try this stuff on. So yeah, I think this month was really good. I think all the products are good, and I'm excited to keep using them and trying them. I definitely think my favorite thing out of the box is the palette, just because I've wanted this for so long and it's just so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know in the comments which palette you got. I would love to know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!